Up for sale, 1997 Chevy S10. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 97 S10, finished in factory colors, one owner, 19,404, currently as it sits, original miles. Lots of ownership paperwork on the car dating back to new, window sticker, all that good stuff. Of course, go around and point out anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, go through the paperwork, fire it up, and then drive it. And get in for the driving, show how nice it drives. I guess this is going to be going on Bring a Trailer. Of course, rightfully so, the way that the car is. My business name is Next Gen Classic Cars of Illinois. I was told that I should start saying the business name earlier in the video. Welcome, my name is Andrew. And where to begin on it? Again, one owner, 19,404 original miles, paint, all original. It was sold new to Monroe Truck Equipment in Wisconsin, and they did their Monroe sport truck conversion, which included little things like this, the step guards on the bottom there, this little bit of wood grain, maybe some other things that I don't exactly know for sure. Kind of a cool thing, and I have paperwork for that as well. Just to glance the interior real quick. It's like a time capsule in here on top of, your GM floor mats, which are mint. 19404. But anyway. Just show you a little bit of this real quick. No bubbles, no rust, absolutely no rust, never rusted, no repainting. For the license plate here, I kind of like the little greenish trim there. Of course, you're going to get a couple little, marks, especially on this piece. Fitment all the way around the car is exactly how you want it to be. It's a little wet mark right there. See, it came right off. Exactly how you want it to be. Very nice. Now, to open the hood, I believe I come in not over yonder. Yep, right there. Easy. A lot of good notes that I want to point out. So I definitely want to take my time going over it. Always garage kept up. I need two hands for this with the little stick to hold it up. Bear with me. Always garage kept, of course, and they did. You can kind of see like a little bit rust proofing in here. You see a little spot, door corners on all cars tend to rust. So here I'm just skipping forward, little rust proofing in there, which is kind of cool. Of course, that's mint, and I mean all the way up is excellent. Of course, as I was saying, no garage kept. It for sure shows it. How you want it to be in here. V6, Vortec, AC, loaded with the options that it would come with. Power windows as well. I believe you could still get cranks in this here. Look how clean this is. Nothing in here is shine. This is all naturally clean. Underhood, original. I guess you see a little like factory sticker that's in there as well. You see a little marking there. Stickers, some campaign dealer code stuff that was done to it. You see the little tag back there, and just little things that I think might be important I'll show. It's got these little custom wheels on there. Actually look really cool on the car. But anyway, we'll up and over the top here. I mean, the paint looks fabulous. No cracks on the glass, no cracks on the dash. There's your VIN as well. See the nice fitment all the way down here. Of course, you see like a little mark there, little one right there. Let me finish this side and then I'll go in. Little one there. This color is beautiful too. It's kind of got like a greenish, with a little bit of blue in it. Let me grab a, I'm sorry to do a sip of my coffee. It's a little cold out here. Little sport truck. Again, I've showed you the door jamb. I took pictures of these stickers. I'm gonna take a picture of that. I haven't done it yet. Well, look how nice it is in here. All the way over the top, weather stripping. Again, I showed you the GM floor mat. Underneath it is extra clean carpet. Probably had the floor mats in it its whole time. Your front seat, mint. Your passenger seat is mint. I'm going to keep saying it. The dash and the gauges. See, there's that little wood grain I was talking about. Looks like new. But here, for a more exciting note, slightly out of order. Owner's manual with a couple other books. I took pictures of all this from Monroe Trucks. Some little notes, business cards. This is all registration paperwork for the car. So when you, at the selling dealer, you were signing, all your mumbo jumbo. Your odometer disclosure, because it was $385 at the date of delivery, or to be sold to the guy, I should say, which it shows in the title. This document, it was sold by Z Frank. On the window sticker, it shows that it was sold to Monroe, or was delivered to Monroe Trucks, which is actually kind of cool. So I'm wondering, Monroe Trucks must have sold it to Z Frank, which is interesting. And just, did your blue and white form to get the title. A little service in here from Z Frank. Here's your window sticker, of course, probably the most important feature. Emerald green metallic is the color. Vortec V6, 4-speed electronic, deluxe cloth. I mean, you see all the options here. Pause it if you'd like. But this is very interesting. Monroe Truck. So they must have sold it to them. Did their little Monroe Truck conversion stuff. Sold it to Z Frank, who then sold it to the first owner. Interesting. Very interesting. 19.5 new. And I got still more stuff here. Some little miscellaneous things. Took pictures of that. This was Z Frank custom stripes protection package, rust proofing, fabric protection, paint shield, sound shield, conversion package. I'm wondering if this is from Monroe to them. I'm not sure. Back in the day, you just get paperwork on paperwork. Got more stuff coming. Here is your Duraliner limited lifetime warranty. It's still under warranty. This is cool. And more stuff. Again, I took pictures of all this. But, this is Monroe too, which is cool. And then your little dealer booklet. Console, mint. The little wood grain is super nice. All the gauges work, the lights work, the AC works, the radio works, the horn works. If I didn't mention something, the windows work, everything works. Carry on though. I want to lean back in. Show you the little, I call them little buddy seats in the back. That's super cool. Those probably never been sat in. I would be surprised. Little sail panels are mint. The headliner's mint. The dome light works. I showed you this. I said it was, there's your probably, I'm going to say from installation, your original sticker in there. Show you the back though. Back is like the rest of, well, here's a little stamping, but like the rest of the truck. My California Duster, ignore that. Door liner's nice. If you're interested in other one-owner vehicles, I did not list it on Bring a Trailer because I wasn't sure if that was the right car, but it might have been. 2007 Atomic Orange Corvette, one owner, 2,300 miles, manual. Think about that. But if you're just here for the pickup truck, say hello. There you go, Monroe sport truck there. You see a little blemish right down there. See a few little marks right there. I know you saw that. The underneath, I took a lot of pictures of it. No rust. A little bit of surface rust in some spots, as expected for a vehicle from '97. No rust, no rot. Pretty much what you would expect. 19,404 miles to look like. Look how nice that is in there. I know you kind of saw the seat in the pictures, but seat's mint. More mint than that side if I had to just, for whatever reason. Super clean, nice colors as well. Now I'm just rambling on. Even in here, look at that. I don't even want to touch the paint. Rockford Fire Department. Oh, I did notice there's one through the dust, one little mark right there. And then one right there. Oops. Thank you for watching, and we are going to fire it up now and then drive it. Very smooth. Oh. You're gonna pick me up. We're gonna go for a little lap. Thank you. I forgot about that. Let's. Okay.
Yeah, they were all over the place.
They were all in a little baggie.
Oh, here's some.
I'll just hold the stack. Yeah.
Or here's go back.
No, I'm gonna read it over again. Okay.
Excellent.
Let her rip. Yeah. See.
Yeah, it's like driving a brand new truck.
It is. Oil change 3121 up there. Just take a picture of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, look how nice the dash is. That one I had with the 350 in it.
Yeah.
That was a bomb. This is so nice compared to that.
And it's got the center.
Yeah, mine didn't have this. Mine was a
usually
bench
have the
seat.
column.
Yeah, mine was a
Yeah.
bench seat. I bought it for myself. I never drove it. I think I drove it down the street. I was like, yeah, it's not for me.
It was cool though.
I mean, it was cool to put a 350 in that, to put a turbo 400 in it. They had headers on it. It had new MagnaFlow or whatever it was, Flowmaster. Headers. I think I said headers. But this is a little Creampuff.
Yeah.
The odometer is rolling, so it's 19405 now.
Yeah.
Rolling onto the 8 over there.
And these 4.3s are bulletproof.
Yep. I was laughing. It's a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. I'm like, oh, still under warranty. You think they'd give you more than 3 years?
Yes, that's what it was back then.
Yeah. Like, yeah, we don't want to give you a good warranty.
Well, see about at Daewoo. They had a 10-year, 100,000.
You say at Daewoo?
warranty. Yeah, and then they went out of business. And screwed everybody.
Interesting.
Yeah.
You can pull it back up there. I'll photograph the other side. And we're done.